Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a book. Let's start off by drawing a tall C shape at an angle. Followed by two long lines that go down from the C like this. At the bottom, draw a curve from the left line around and to the tip of the right line, and a small hook at the end to finish the spine of the book. From there, draw a line going straight out, and then a line going up parallel to the spine. Copy the shape of the lines from the front of the book to finish off the front cover. For the back cover, do the reverse of the front cover and add a short line at the end. Then, draw two more lines like this for the pages. For more detail, draw some lines on the pages of the book, and also something on the cover. And now you've got a book.